Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Sarah's Kitchen. Today I have a dinner recipe which is mashed potatoes with some chicken breast. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. We start by frying the chicken breast, which I've marinated it with paprika, garam masala and black pepper and some salt. So we are going to fry the chicken until it is well cooked. As you can see from the video, our chicken turned out so well, so we're going to remove it from the heat, set it aside so that you can start making the sauce. So we're going to fry in some onions. I've used one white onion. You're going to saute that until translucent. After that, we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. You're going to give that a mix. Add a little water. I forgot to take that footage. You're going to add a little water, then let the sauce simmer for about 3 minutes. You then add some salt to taste. At this point, you can also add spices of your choice like paprika, garam masala, any spices you wish to add. You're going to give it a stir. Let it simmer for 1 minute. Then you're going to add in your chicken. As you can see from the video, our fried chicken breast turned out so well. It looks so delicious. So we're going to remove it from the heat and set it aside so that you can make our mashed potatoes. For the mashed potatoes, I've used about 1 kg of potatoes. Then I'm going to peel them, add some salt and let them cook until they're well cooked as shown in this video. After that, you're going to mash them using a masher. You'll then add margarine or butter. I've used about 50 grams of margarine. So I'm going to put them on the mashed potatoes. After that, we're going to add in some milk. I've used a half cup of milk. You can even add more if you wish. Then I'm going to mash all that well until it is well combined. As you can see from the video, our mashed potatoes turned out so well. It looks so delicious. I served mine with some chicken breast. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.